Hello folks, Chef Enrique from Dean Stove and Spa again, doing a quick video today. We're smoking a brisket on the Kamado Joe Classic II. We're going to be using some hickory chips. We're going to be using some Jealous Devil lump charcoal and Suckle Buster salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. I'm going to be injecting with a little bit of beer too. Don't want to take all the fat cap out. You want to leave. Everybody's got a different opinion on this. I'd like 1/4 of an inch to an inch, 1/2 inch, somewhere between a 1/2 inch and an inch of fat on top. You're gonna let that render while you're smoking, so most of your flavors gonna come out of there. Alright folks, I'm pretty much done trimming the top side. What I like to do is mark where my grain is going, because when all this bark, that smoke is going to create so much bark that you're not going to see where the grain is going. Then you always want to cut against the grain when you're cutting the end product. So I just do a little sliver here just to mark it. I know the grain, I'm going to be cutting this way because the grain is going this way. So just a little tip there. Now we're going to season. We're going to be using the Suckle Buster seasoning that we have here at Dean Stove and Spa. We're going to be using the salt, garlic, and pepper one. Always got to go heavy on a brisket. All this fat is going to render. You want that flavor seep into the meat. Just injecting some beer just to ensure moisture. When you're smoking, your temperature goes up a little bit, you can easily dry out your meat. Sometimes I do a little beef stock instead, but changing it up, doing some beer. The people eating this like beer a lot, so. Alright, ready to go. So we're using Jealous Devil lump charcoal, one of the many charcoals that we use here. Organic charcoal, doesn't have any accelerators. This is what you want to use. You don't want to use any of the ready to light stuff they sell at the big box stores. This one load is going to give me 10 hours of burn time. We are very close to our desired temperature here, so I'm just gonna start playing with the air controls here, closing the bottom. Less air, less the temperature is gonna go up. That way it's gonna hold at that temperature for the amount of hours that we need it to. We're using some hickory wood chips and have them soaking. You can soak the wood chips in apple juice, pineapple juice, whatever, beer. I soaked it in water today. Heat deflectors. We're doing some indirect cooking. There she goes. Get her oven up to temperature and then hold that temperature. We want to be at around 200, 225 degrees. Taking a quick peek after the first hour just to see what we're looking like. She's looking pretty.